If you want to make your YouTube channel look more professional, here's how you can design a YouTube banner using Canva. So just open your browser and go to canva.com, login or sign up. It's completely free. And if you have Pro plan, you will get more templates and premium designs. And step 2 is to search for YouTube channel art. Once you are logged in, then you can search for YouTube channel art in the search bar. Canva will automatically load templates in the correct size, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. And that's the official YouTube banner size. Once you search for YouTube channel art, you can pick any template that fits your vibe. You can completely customize it, or you can even start with blank if you want full control, but for that you might need strong graphic related knowledge. So you can choose any pre-built template, add your channel name, tagline or social icons, and keep all important text in the safe area. That's the center, which is 1546 by 423 pip space. Then you can click download, and preferably as PNG, and then go to YouTube Studio and customization, then branding, and upload your new banner and hit publish. So that's how you can create clean professional channel art in minutes. And if this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and press on the bell icon for more creator tips like that. See you in the next one.